Now, let's rewind a little bit. Tell us what you did before you got to Colaberry and how you heard about Colaberry.
What I did before I joined Colaberry, I was in the military. I was NCO sergeant here in Texas. Yeah, I was doing reserve as a reserve after getting off active duty, and then I
Okay.
was also working as a manager at a company here in Grapevine, Texas.
Okay. And who
And
told you about the program?
one of my friend who attended Colaberry way back in 2014, and he told me about the program. So I say I need to check it out because he's getting paid really good money. He's getting good money. He bought a house and he seemed to be doing really well. So, and I was here as a military member and also working as a manager, and I wasn't getting really that good financial stability. So I say, let me go check it out. So I joined Calabre back in September 2021.